The new CTKPCV02 Chevrolet Camaro ITC kit presents an impressive array of upgrades which include steering wheel controls and vehicle settings retention. To start, put the vehicle into reverse and remove the gear stick to give yourself some working space. With the shifter out of the way, you can then proceed to extract the centre console whilst disconnecting the wiring. Once the centre console has been removed, begin to undo the two screws located underneath the fascia panel and remove it whilst disconnecting the wire on the back. To finish the disassembly, undo the 4 screws that surround the head unit and remove it from the dashboard whilst disconnecting all of the wiring in the process. To fit the CTKPCV02 ITC kit, the dashboard will need to be modified. In preparation for this, you will want to take a screwdriver up and behind the main plastic to remove the single screw. Once this is done, you can begin to cut the following plastic from the dashboard with no problems. Now let's begin the wiring process. Feed a fishing wire through the back of the plastics and proceed to reroute the fascia connector up into the main cavity of the dash. Take the wiring harness that accompanies the kit and begin by threading the ITC power connector through the passage that the fascia connector previously occupied. Then begin to connect the rest of the wiring to their relevant sources. See the instruction manual for a list of connectors. If you are utilising the OnStar add-on interface, this will need to be connected to the 20-pin Molex shown on screen instead of the isolator clip. Take your new hazard switch connector and thread it through the opening you made in the plastics. Begin attaching your new antenna adapter to the previous connection, following on to connect the blue wire from the antenna to the wiring harness's remote out wire. Now attach the brackets onto both sides of the aftermarket head unit and begin to connect the relevant wires. When all of the connections are fully populated, begin to stow it away and screw it back into the dashboard using your pre-existing screws. With the head unit secure, you can then mount the new fascia panel by connecting the ITC and hazard connectors in the process, further replacing the 2 previous screws underneath. Now, you need to get the centre console back in. We find the best technique is to take the top, remove the switch and heighten the cigarette lighter. Then begin to slowly wiggle the panel back into place before clipping it down and replacing the switch. Finally, replace the gear stick to complete the installation. For more information about this kit or any of our other ITC kits, head on over to our website at connex2.com.